Today we are going to learn about the use of roots and the quadratic equation. Actually, the general form of a quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. In this equation, let's take one example, that is x square plus 5x plus 6 is equals to 0. For this equation we have to find out the roots. There is two types of way to find out the ways: by factorization. By factorization we have to find out the roots by using the a simple trick, that is multiplying the coefficient of a x square term and constant. Means a and c we have to multiply. So here we will get 6 itself, and we have to both we have to consider the factors. Means 3 2 is 6, 2 3 is 6, and 1 6 is 6. So by adding or multiplying or minusing, we have to get the b value. So we can get 3 plus 2 is equals to 5. This is the b value, the coefficient of x. So here x square plus 2x plus 3x is equals to 6 is equals to 0. So let we can take x as a common, and x plus 2 will be remaining. So here we can take 3 as common, and x plus 3 x plus 2 is the answer. And now we can take the common as x plus 2, and x plus 3 is equals to 0. So x is equals to minus 2, x is equals to minus 3. These are the two roots. By using these roots we can form this equation. So this is one way. Or using x is equals to minus b plus or minus root over b square minus 4ac by 2a. This is another formula for finding the roots. Now shall we see the how these roots and quadratic equations are important for the JEE Advanced and Mains, MSET, BITSET, like these exams. Let's consider one question from the JEE Advanced 2020 paper 1. Let's see that question. This is the question. Suppose a and b denotes the distinct real roots of the quadratic equation. The polynomial is x square plus 20x minus 2020 is equals to 0. This is the equation. A and b are the roots of this equation. And another equation he had given, that is x square minus 20x plus 2020. This is another equation having the roots c and d. These are the roots of this equation. So he asked to find out the value of entire this thing. Let's see the answer is. Let's solve that question. To find out this one, means that he had given that AC multiplied with A minus C plus AD multiplied with A minus D plus BC multiplied with B minus C plus BD multiplied with BC. We have to find out this value. So what I would like to do, that is I want to multiply with each and every term. So then I will get a square c minus ac square plus a square d minus ad square plus b square c minus bc square plus b square d minus bd square. This is d. Okay, let's take common a square. here in these two terms we will get a square as common. A square c plus d, and b square we have to take common here. B square here and here, in those terms we have b square. So b square, and this is also positive and this is also positive, so c plus d. And another we have the negatives, so minus d square I would like to take common. D square here, one d square, and here, so minus d square by taking a plus b I have, and minus c square I have take common, a plus b I have. So let's see how these quadratic equations are helpful for the knowing this problem. So here c plus d also we can take common, so c plus d I would like to take common, and here a square plus b square, and minus I have here d square. a d, d see here also we can take a plus b as common, so a plus b I would like to take common, and here we have only d square plus c square. In this equation, c plus d are the roots of this equation. C plus d means sum of the roots. The sum of the roots of this equation is c plus d is equals to 20. C plus d, the sum of the roots of this equation. So we got 20 here. So we can write 20 here. Here a square plus b square again, minus a plus b. Here we will get a and b are the roots of this equation. So a plus b are the sum of the roots of this equation. Here we can observe that minus 20 is the sum of the roots. So we can put minus 20. Here d square plus c square. So minus will be multiplying, become 20. So 20 into a square plus b square plus 20 into d square plus c square. So 20 taking common, we will get a square plus b square plus c square plus d square. So to know the a square plus b square plus c square is equals to how much? This is in a simple, very simple for this. Most of the students will be confused to find out this one. This is very simple. We know already a plus b are the sum of the roots, that is minus 20. On squaring on both sides, we will get a square plus b square plus 2ab is equals to 400. So a square plus b square is equals to 400 minus 2ab, and ab are the product of the roots. Product of the roots are nothing but this thing. So on multiplying that, we will get 400 minus 2 into 20 into 20. So we will get 400 minus 40. On this thing we will get on what 0 and 0 and 36. So 3600. This is the a square plus b square value. On following same thing applying c square d square also, we will get the answer 4040 plus 4040. So 44440. This is the answer for the c square d square. Trust me for finding this one. You try it for this thing for c square d square. So on adding all these things, 4440 minus minus we have here because the biggest term is having minus, so minus of 3600. So 20, this is on subtracting that we will get a 800. So on multiplying these things, 8 to 16 हो 16,000 है. This is an advanced 2020 problem, JEE. Advanced 2020 paper 1 problem है, paper 1. This is a simple problem. Thank you.